Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is starting to move and might be taking off here, or has already started to take off. Also, one of the coins that I presented two bullish scenarios for, even though the chart looks a little bit like a mess. I have to say that. It's not a great structure here, not a clear structure. Nevertheless, two bullish setups. So what was the first one? The first one was in white here. Basically this wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside, all in a diagonal pattern. A wave 4 landed exactly at the 50% retracement level at 6.79 cents and like magic reversed here and is now possibly in this scenario in wave 5 of C. Let's first establish in this scenario what the target for wave 5 of C would be before we get to the second scenario, which is more bullish in the short term. So in this scenario, there are a couple of ways how we can measure targets. The first one is take the length of the wave 1, then we go to the low of the wave 2, and we see here that already our minimum expectation for a third wave was met at 10 cents, which was the 1.236 extension here on the 1st of January. Then we had a wave 4 pullback, and the wave 5 ideally now minimally reaches 12.8 cents, possibly higher, okay? But that would be great. And if we have that, well, to be honest, we only have a larger ABC structure then. Now that's not necessarily bearish, but it could turn into an even larger ABC. So it's not a great, or even a diagonal or something. So it's not a great structure to try to trade for precision. However, I will keep monitoring it. And when I see a setup, as I did here, then I will mention that and update you about it. Okay, that's that scenario. Also, yeah, it's at this stage rather unclear what would happen after wave 5 of C. I will have to see how the structure is looking like, and then possibly we'll be able to give you another support region for that, but we have to take it level by level with HBAR. In the yellow count, we're dealing with a larger ABC structure. So actually, oh no, that would be, it's embedded in a different larger degree structure. But in this scenario, this here is an A wave. This move down was B, and we're moving up in a larger wave C. Could, for example, argue that this is a WXY structure, for example. It's a possibility. And then this would stretch even higher. Where could that stretch to? Well, here we would talk about the 100% extension of wave A. And that means we're looking at around about 17.4 cents. Okay, so that area there. And that's all looking good. Please be aware that the 10-cent level itself, so the previous swing highs, which formed in February last year, as well as in January this year, they obviously are resistance. So the price hasn't broken above it, but it looks as if HBAR wants to do it to reach one of the targets presented. And these scenarios are now valid as long as the swing low that formed on Sunday is actually holding Sunday the 4th of February, which was down here at 6.8 cents. If we now fail, so if now the breakout fails, I would not call that a wave 5 yet. I would rather call it either in the yellow count a more extended B wave that's happening, so A, B, C in wave B, or even in the fourth wave, we could be working on some kind of a flat structure there. But yeah, it all hinges now on the bull's success to generate a real breakout here. But you see these pops everywhere now in the altcoin world. Just take a look at, where we have setups, and even if they haven't moved for a while, I always say red candles, people get scared, yes, but that changes from one day to another in crypto. So don't worry if support is holding. Nobody can tell you, right? It's all about identifying the levels, maybe scaling in, but it's typically too late when it's already moved. That's why the idea of pullback trading, I think, is the most relaxed one of trading cryptos. That's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.